We got chronoed at the very gate.
Huh?
We got chronoed at the gate.
Did you? So you were good, huh?
Yeah, well, they turned up Ashton's gun.
Okay. So we're good to go. So the objective is they're trying to bring these bombs into this little green area that's right there and on that.
The Lumberjacks are?
Yeah. So we just gotta keep them from fucking doing that shit.
He says I have max.
I hit the max ammo, bro. I hit the max ammo.
Here we go. Let's go, Bigfoot!
Good job, good job.
Yeah.
Straight ahead, team pushing. Push up again, push up again. Ooh. Watch out.
Where you at?
I know there's one in the container for sure. We got him. Here. Good job, boys. That bugger's ripping.
We got a guy right there.
Okay. Finally. Go, boy. I'm going through. Yeah. Oops. Oh, that was close. Oh, now that.